I'll give you a quick recap of the past 24 hours. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Ben Beps, and today I'm in Helsinki. As well, I was going to say you could probably see, but you can't see because it's overexposed. I'll include some B-roll. So yeah, eventually got here after lugging these two massive suitcases halfway across this city, and then sitting outside in the freezing cold for an hour, just waiting for check-in time. But I'm here now in the hostel in Helsinki. Gonna head out there. I haven't really got a planned route or anything. Just gonna wander around, take some street photos, and I guess bring you along and show you the results of it, and you can explore Helsinki with me in the process. Very tired, so this will be interesting, but let's see how this goes. Need to grab some groceries first, so I'll be back after that and we'll head out. I really have no idea what I'm looking for, what I'm going to shoot. I have an idea of kind of what the sites are in Helsinki and where they might be. I walked over from the train station earlier, obviously, so I'm tempted to just go back that route, in which case I'd be going down here. And that will lead me past some of the sites I know that, and then I can go on from there to find some of the other ones. So I think I might do that and just shoot some random street photos on the way. I've also got a GoPro on, which I've never done for one of these videos before. See if I can get any BTS clips from that. I don't know how much power I've got in it. Now I look like a massive prime target for anything. It's alright, Helsinki's rather safe. Yeah, I'm gonna head in the general direction of the train station. Shoot some street photos, landscape photos. Might also get the 85mm on to shoot some stuff on there as well, because then I got really good autofocus. Yeah, it's currently 4:30. Sun's probably going to go down at 6, so we're going to have a nice golden hour if it stays sunny like this over the next hour. So it should provide for some really good shots. They have all of these temporary paths, footpaths leading through here. They're doing all this building work around this area of Helsinki, so I'm kind of skipping through this bit very quickly. Don't really need many photos of that, but yeah, I wonder what it's going to look like all the way down the front area here once it's all finished. And I also wonder why they're doing it. What are they removing? It looks like there's some kind of railway lines there, but I'm not sure. Or maybe they're just adding railway lines, because that looks new rather than old. So I'm back to where I was earlier now, right next to the railway station, which is over there. And we've also got this big, beautiful building up there behind me. I don't know what either of these two buildings here are. Probably really obvious, probably just museums or something. I haven't done my research. I know the train station is famous. Unfortunately, they've got the Ukrainian flag on it right now rather than the Finnish flag, as has everywhere in the world basically. So does kind of lose its authenticity as a finished kind of place, but I guess it's also respectful in a way at the same time. But we don't really have much of that gold now, which I was saying about, because this is all in the shade. The sun's low and it's just hitting the buildings, so everything's just shadowy unless you're in a very correct, perfect spot, which happens to be where the cranes are right now, so there's not much I can do with that. Yeah, I might carry on for like another half an hour or so, then go find some dinner. Oh, what is that? It's like a fairground or a circus. Finland circus down there.